I'm the guy next door, and if I can cook, you can cook too. Today, we are going to cook peppermint egg soup. Instead of using it as garnish, this dish has peppermint as its main ingredient. On a dry hot pan, put in the onions, then stir fry. Drizzle in the oil. Put in the garlic. When you stir fry the garlics and the onions, try not to get the garlic brown. Then you fill up the pan with water for the soup. Add in the assorted fish balls. How much is up to you. Add in half a cube of chicken stock or more if you are cooking in larger quantities. Stir, then close the lid and let it simmer until the water boils. When the water boils, add in the peppermint leaves, crack in the eggs, and then cover the lid again. Once the egg is poached, add in the salt. The soup is ready. Let's try the soup. Now I'm weighing this soup as according to how it tastes those days when my mom cooks it. And so the soup is important to me. It has to be minty and eggy as well. And this is a very refreshing, fresh soup that you can actually make even for people who are sick. Okay? Yep, I think I passed. And my mom is now smiling from heaven. Now if you like this recipe, kindly give me a thumbs up and share my video with your friends. Please do subscribe to my channel and do comment if you have similar recipes that you want to share with me. Bye!